Ignou MA in Development Journalism. Your exam prep starts here. Graduation cap, writing hand. Are you enrolled in Ignou's MA in Development Journalism and feeling the pressure of upcoming exams? Let EncycloHub lighten your load. We offer a complete set of previous year solved papers tailored especially for this course to help you prepare confidently and effectively. Blue Book what you'll get. White heavy checkmark solved question papers from the last 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark detailed, easy to understand answers written in exam-ready format. White heavy checkmark coverage of key subjects, media and development, reporting techniques, communication theories, media ethics, research methods, and more. White heavy checkmark follows the latest Ignou syllabus and paper pattern. Light bulb white choose EncycloHub. Small blue diamond expert created. Reliable content. Small blue diamond instant PDF delivery. Small blue diamond affordable pricing for students. Small blue diamond trusted by thousands of Ignou learners across India. Perfect for self-study, revision, and understanding how to write high-scoring answers. Mobile phone with arrow ready to order? Message us on WhatsApp at your contact number. Or DM at EncycloHub on Instagram with the message, MA Development Journalism Solved Papers. Rolled up newspaper, learn smart. Write better. Score higher. Only with EncycloHub, your study companion for Ignou success.